everyone, good morning. Welcome to Morena Barbie. Walang kaano-ano.
Wala kasing ka.
Here. Let me see. We go here.
What? See, she gets it. She gets it.
Guys, go now.
Why do you have donuts, by the way, to the beach?
I'm gonna eat some and then give some to the kids.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Did you get a key?
For some kids.
You fly, why do I keep on down?
Hello.
Okay,
Can
so it's
go
brown
back
out,
there to
but not at our house.
the Merci. Down. You wanna eat this later?
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. What did you give them?
You wanna go there?
Babe, what did you give them?
Oh, it's just rice, bread, like filling for the bread, and then baby
Stuff
powder.
to put on the bread.
Yes,
And
baby powder. Yeah.
you mean for milk? Baby milk?
Maybe baby powder.
Not baby powder. Baby.
Baby
Powder sounds kind of weird.
Baby milk.
Okay. Nice.
That's a.
Blue Ocean Bohol.
I thought it's just a house.
Yeah, I can also customize if you want some color.
cheese kuya. 200 lang.
Kailang basta yun?
Hello. Wala yung...
Kami.
Abalone.
Abalone, sir.
Have you tried abalone?
Grill, sashimi.
150 sa akin kuya.
Ikaw. Punuan mo yan. Yun, 200 ibigay mo.
Wala kayong toothpick. Sir. Sir Chin.
Songge.
Songge.
Sombo. Coke now.
Will.
You don't come like over to the shore. They want you to just kind of stay out. That's the only thing.
Abalone. I really love that song. Okay, okay, go. Hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya. Oo. Stand up. I